Welcome students, all of you, to your new class of science. Okay, so I hope all of us joined. Where are the rest of the students? Okay students, all of you get ready with your pencil, eraser and your copy in which you write down your science notes. Everyone get ready with your pencil, eraser and your copy in which you write down your science notes. Today we are going to do some worksheets from chapter number 5, Clean, Fit and Healthy. Already we have completed all the chapters. Now we are going to write down the different parts apart from the practice time given in the book. Okay, so let us write down. Everyone will write along with me. Put tick or cross. So you will put tick for the correct statement and you will put cross for the wrong statement. In the same way, you will put T for this correct statement and you will put F for the false statement. But here I have not given you true and false. I have given you tick and cross. So let us do it. Wear dirty clothes. Wear dirty clothes. So here comes Inakshi's first answer. Inakshi and Nandini both has given the first answer and they all are. Arju has also given, Shamrik, very good, Arko, Ritika and okay, Shamrik Rai Chaudhary has given the answer twice. Okay, Brutin, very good. So all of them has given the answer. It is a false statement. That means it is a wrong statement. Now let us go for the second one. Everyone please write down. You will write down. Then after we will turn on our cameras and I will see whether you have written it or not. You will show me your copies. Okay, you will show me your copies. So everyone start writing. I will see your copy today. Try to write on your own so that you can have little bit writing practice also. Here comes your next sentence. Take bath regularly. Take bath regularly. Yes, Arjo, Shamrik, all of your answers are correct. It is a correct statement and so we are going to put a tick. Next comes number 3. Here comes your third statement, that is do exercise daily. Do exercise daily. So here Inakshi and Nandini has given the first answer. Then after Arjo, very good, Shamrik, very nice, very nice. So over there Arjo has given the first answer, very good. Come on. So here also the statement is correct. Do exercise daily. So are you doing your exercises regularly? Now you don't have early school, so you are doing your exercise regularly or not? Come on, who will tell me? You are doing your exercise regularly, every morning you are doing exercise? Oh, Shomrik has, okay, confessed that he is not doing exercise. Arjo is also not doing exercise. Brotin is also not doing exercise. So from tomorrow only, beta, little bit free hand exercise, you do it in the early morning. It will make you active, energetic, and you will be fit also. During these days, we should do. No one is doing exercise. Everyone is late risers, right? No one is early riser. Okay. So from tomorrow only you start this practice. It will make you energetic and fit. Okay. Okay. Come on. Now let's go for the fourth one. Have unhealthy food. Have unhealthy food. Shomrik Rai Chaudhary, please write down. Have unhealthy food. Yes, very good, beta. Unhealthy food. Very good. Everyone is giving the answer false. So I'm also putting a cross over here. Now, how many of you will tell me that how many of you are taking regularly chips and cold drinks nowadays? How many of you are taking regularly chips, cold drinks, chocolates, cakes, ice creams? Okay, Shomri is telling no, he is not taking. Anyone more? Okay, Nakshi is also not taking. Nandini is telling she is not taking it regularly, but sometimes. Right, Nandini? But during this time, you will not take. Just try to leave them. Slowly, slowly try to leave them and have only healthy food at home. Okay? Homemade foods. Try to avoid all these fast foods. Yes, many of them are confessing that, yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, very good, Brotin. So just stop taking the food which is being sold out, because these are not at all good for your health now. Okay. What I told last day, we have to be healthy during the story day telling activity. What I told, we have to be healthy, we have to be fit, we have to be, yes, we have to enhance our immunity. Okay, and this winter foods are not at all good. Cakes, fast foods are not at all good for your health. Come on. So let's go for the fifth one. Now the fifth one is go to bed early. Go to bed early. So who is going to bed early? Very good. So everyone is telling this statement is true. So we are going to put a tick over here. We are going to put a tick over here. Very good. Now, Inakshi, show me your copy. Inakshi, show me your copy. Nandini, show me your copy. I hope you have completed. Very good. Completed, beta. Nandini, show me your copy. You just show me in front of the camera. That will be enough. Very good. Nandini, leave one line. Okay. Leave one line and write down. Okay. Okay. Now let me see. Orgho is showing his copy. So Orgho, Yes, I can see your copy. I can see Shomrik's copy. I can see Arj's copy. Okay. Very good. Where is Brotin's copy? Brotin, please turn on your camera. Ayushman, please turn on your camera. Can I see your? Yes. Shatuki has written. Very good. Very good, beta. Excellent. Shomrik has written. Shomrik, can I see your copy once more, beta? Shomrik, very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very nice. And here Arjo has already shown me. Orgho, can I see your copy, beta? Can I see? Just hold it in front of camera. Yes, excellent. And here is Ritika. Ritika, please turn on your camera. Inakshi has also completed. Very good, Inakshi. Okay. Okay. And Ritika, yes, Ritika is showing her copy. Very good, Ritika. Ritika, please try to write in a lined copy, okay? Still you are not enough skill to write in a plain copy, plain white page. Tell your mother to get one lined copy, single line copy for maths, okay? Then your handwriting will also improve. Very good. And Shishobhan, show me your copy, beta. Shishobhan, please turn on your camera and show me your copy. Brotin has done. Very good, Brotin. And Shishobhan, let's see. Shishobhan, can I see your copy? Turn on your camera, please. Ayushman, can I see Ayushman? Ayushman, please turn on your camera and show me your copy. Okay, yes, here is Orijit. Very good. Very nice. Please use single line copy. Please use single line copy, and I hope, Orijit, you have written on your own, right? So please use single line copy. Because handwriting, Orijit, can I see that copy once more? Orijit, can I see that copy once more? Please show me in front of the camera. Little bit. In front. Arektu kache niye esho. Little bit. Yes. I cannot see it. Just bring it in front of the camera, beta. Orijit. This is your handwriting, Orijit? Okay. Shishobhan, please show me your copy, beta. Shishobhan, please show me your copy. Shishobhan, can I see your copy? Please show me in front of the screen. Shishobhan, don't poke your nose. Nake hath dena. Come on. Show me your copy. Khatata dekhao. Come on. Fast. Come on. Shishobhan Mondol, show me your copy, please. So Shishobhan has not written, not completed. Now all of you turn off your cameras. Please turn off your cameras. Turn off your cameras, everyone. Yes, I know that, Orijit. That was not your handwriting. Your handwriting cannot be so nicely patterned, beta. I complete on time. Okay. Okay. And Trishita, why you are sorry, beta? Still you have got enough 5 minutes time. So you can complete that one. So students, today till here I am concluding my class, and everyone will write down these 5 tick and cross statements or sentences in your copy? Okay, Trishita, very good. So please write down and complete it. Okay, very good. You are having enough time. So you after I conclude this class will be uploaded on the YouTube video. You can open that video and you can complete your class also from there. Okay, very nice. So I'm concluding my class over here, and all of you please take care of yourself, learn these statements, and I will be back again next day. Thank you. Bye bye.